Alright, hey there, how we doing, Veve and Ecomi community? It is OhmDawg coming at you with a price action update today. Before we get into it, I do want to mention our 250 sub giveaway. I had two people enter, so both of y'all just DM me on the platform that y'all entered with or completed the instructions with, and I'll get an NFT to both of y'all for participating. So thank you. And before we get to the disclaimer, I do want to say uh, I do want to bring up or bring into light the whole uh, bot situation which is going on with Veve and Dragon Girl. I'll throw up some footage here, but as far as the community and collectors itself, we all just need to do our best to combat this and not buy any of these listings that we see right here from these brand new accounts, and I think that is the best way um, that we could actually combat this. And yeah, that's basically it. With that being said, let's go ahead and throw up the disclaimer and we will jump into the video. This is not financial advice. This video is for educational purposes only. Trading with money involves risk, and I am not responsible for any decisions you make based off this information today. So let's go ahead and jump into the market. So since our last video, we had this relative area targeted right here, and we were actually, it was a more broad area above this high, and there we go. It was this area right here, and we were seeing how price would react within it. So obviously we've had that bullish push and that actually a solid daily candle closure above these highs that we pointed out, which was our 0.0077 area, and we are currently trading up into this area. I was actually looking at this earlier today and into this price action as well, and currently we have, well, yeah, we've exceeded this area, but now what's next? We have to move on to the next available market data, which is this over here. And currently what I see is, on the daily at least, we have this large manipulation candle. It's obviously very manipulative. It was bought up, took out this high right here, and ultimately fell from that area, and as well as this buy right here that dropped and practically messed up any traders within these areas before it ultimately traded back up and fell after this push up. So that is actually pretty significant to me. We are currently seeing, or we want to see, as price trades through this area, what's going to happen. So we've had that bullish push, so should we see a nice either closure to the downside below that 770 or above it, or that 0.00770 or 7700, but dropping down into the 4 hour, we are currently trading up into this price action. So I think actually back on the daily, we never filled this area. Where is it? So this bullish candle, price hasn't really filled up to that point yet, so that'll be interesting to see if we push through that tonight. Basically this is what I want to see. I want to see how price trades into this order right here, because this is an order and it actually includes this daily candle structure. But back into the 4 hour, we currently want to see if price either, trades right up into it like this. Well, it already actually has kind of reacted out of it a tad, as we're seeing personally, but this could easily, go back up into it, or on the lower time frames, because we are on the hour. I mean, we were on the 4 hour, now on the hour. In terms of market structure, we'd want to see structure be broken, obviously, to the upside, and basically, I guess, market prints up and breaks structure and shifts momentum. So I guess now while we're on here, depending on how price presents itself right here, is momentum to the downside from here by breaking market structure, or is it going to shift up and start trading up like so and continue this bullish momentum that we've seen or been seeing? Because we are currently on the hour, so we are looking in a kind of 24-hour to 48-hour spectrum of what could happen until then. But as far as what's going on right now, we do want to see either shift in momentum or continuation of momentum. So like I said, we'll either break structure and start to break down. You'll start to see the market even maybe retrace to the 50% of this bearish candle, and then maybe start to trade downwards. But with all the bullish structure going on, we are closing above that 770 right now. So it's just another waiting game. Now we're in a new area. We've had another bullish move from previous video. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. I appreciate you stopping by from here, and also just maybe look into the whole Dragon Girl situation. I can't really blame Veve for that. That's not their fault particularly. Although there is some things that might have to change in order to fix that. Maybe like captchas in the or for the orders, or for every market drop. So everybody does a captcha for a real person, and we might not see the markets flooded with all these brand new accounts anymore. So that's just maybe my 2 cents. But with that being said, everybody, this is OhmDawg coming at you with another price action update, and we will see you in the next video. Peace.